Hello, welcome. Question number 8, NOVDEC 2023, Core Mathematics, objective test questions. So we have to make C the subject of the relation K minus M equals to the root of K divided by C minus M divided by K. I believe this is interesting. You can pause the video and try it out. So the first thing first, we know we are having two sides of the equal sign. So in order to clear the square root, we need to square both sides, right? So the first thing is to square the both sides. But before then, K minus M is equals to the root of K on C, M on what? K. So square both sides give us K minus M all square equals to the root of K on C, M on K all square, right? So the squaring is what we are looking for because we want to cancel the square root. So that gives us K minus M all square equals to K on C, M on what? K. What am I seeing? I'm seeing this being on its own. I can remove this one here by adding M on K to both sides of the equal sign. So that becomes K minus M all square plus M over K equals to K on what? C. Right? What again do we need? We are looking for K, right? Okay. We are looking for C. So we are going to eliminate the C by multiplying through by that, or let's find this to become a single fraction, right? So if it's a single fraction, we can have it as K being the LCM. When 1 goes into that, it will be K times this. I'll have K minus M all square plus K here 1 times that's M equals to K on C. Let me write my K well so that it won't look like C. Alright. So now we are having a fraction on both sides. We can cross multiply, right? So what do? If you cross multiply, this will multiply this. And this will also multiply this. So we're having C multiplying K minus M all square plus M equals to K squared. Do you see how we introduce the bracket? K is a factor multiplying the numerator. And this numerator is K into bracket, K minus M bracket close square plus M, as we can see. So C is just multiplying. So now we are looking for C. We divide by the coefficient. So this is the C. All other terms become coefficient. So we divide. Okay, let's see. So C is going to be equals to, okay, what do? Okay, C into bracket K minus M square M divided by K M square equals to K square K. Alright. Even though I think the board has to be expanded small, we can see that this will clear this, making C equals to K square divided by K minus M square plus what? M. I believe you get the concept. If you do so, don't forget to share, like, and comment. Bye-bye.